Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus, and let me show you how to change video quality on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and now make sure that you're on the video mode. Let's tap on this icon. So now we can choose the settings, they should be in the right upper corner, and at the very first position we've got the quality options. So let's tap on it. Now we've got the HD applied, and here we've got also another two options to choose from. In order to change them, just tap on the one you want to use, for example this one. And we just got back to the camera, so it means that our quality has been successfully changed and applied. So it means that you will record the videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video quality in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.